banana porridge. First, to some water, I'm going to add some salt and cinnamon stick or leaf. Then I'm going to go ahead and peel some green banana because we're making banana porridge. I saw someone on the internet grate the banana with the skin and I wanted to try that, but then it slipped me for a
I
second. And
grate it
once I
with some of
remember,
the
I'm like,
skin on it, you know.
I don't want my porridge to spoil, so let me
See,
go
you
in
could do that
and do
on
it
it.
this way because this is the way I
Looks
know
so
how to
good.
make it. And I also wanted my banana porridge to have some pieces of banana in it also. So I've decided to grate the banana today, not just blend it. But if you like a smooth, silky porridge, blending is the way to go for you guys. So just remember, if you want pieces of banana in the porridge, you're gonna grate the banana and make your porridge. But if you want it smooth and silky, you're gonna go ahead and add a little tip of water to your blender and blend it. And remember, the longer you blend it, is the smoother the banana gets. So that is up to you guys. So guys, I cut the two sides of the banana, then I slice it down on the side, and I use my thumb to push the skin off the banana itself. And I think it's easy. Just try it. And then I'm gonna grab a grater. I started grating it on the larger side, and in my head I was thinking, is this too big? But yeah, I did about half the banana, and then I went to go check, and then I'm like, oh no, this is too big.
Too big.
So then I start grate it on the smaller side, and it was perfect. It was perfect because it had that little chunk, and then I got smaller pieces. So this turned out great. So depending on your preference, guys, that's when you decide what you're gonna do, what side you're using, what size, and all that. So I might be chatting too much, so I'm just gonna let you guys just go ahead and watch the rest of the video. Then to that water, I'm going to add the grated banana. The stove was on low, so I start the process on low, and then eventually I turned up a little more, not fully medium, because the thing with porridge, you want to do it in a slow process because you don't want the porridge to lump, and also you have to continuously stir the pot, right? Because you want everything to like come together nicely and even out. So this is what we had. After a couple of minutes, I went in again and I stir again, and it's gonna take its time and get thick. It's not gonna be too thick. I'm gonna go in and add something else to it, but yeah, this is basically what we're gonna do all throughout this process.
This depends on how you like it. I want to taste the banana on mine. Every time I buy a banana porridge, I always like the banana in it. So that's why I have to make it that way. Yeah. What you say, man? I was thinking about blending some and thing there some, but then I no. I'm just gonna make little bits, little bits. I'm trying to realize that this is still a video. Yeah, add some vanilla. Let's get to the mix. You know me, I'm gonna do it different. I'm gonna just put all of the spices them in this. One go. Cinnamon. Have a little smell. Vanilla Lasco. You don't see it in Walmart. I have it. I bring it from Jamaica. I just come from Jamaica. The nutmeg are my problem. I take up myself, go to Jamaica, and I'm gonna write it on my list to bring up nutmeg and don't bring it up. I would have beat myself. Cause the nutmeg are foreign different. That one I smell good. That one doesn't smell bad. We just mix up everything. Yeah. Yeah, cause the powder one I have. I have two more from Jamaica, but I just not use it. Nutmeg in a porridge, very nice. Very nice. But yeah, let's go there. Let's go. We have a Jamaican store near we too. We have a Jamaica Caribbean, like a Caribbean store close by me. Them sell Lasco too. When I grate and I'm afraid to chip off my finger. Can I that? One thing I feel in my porridge is sugar, so I'm not put too much milk. I love brown sugar in a porridge. It just gives a different taste. Oh my life, it's a nice taste. I hear people complain about the little simple things, like adding everything together. That's too much, me make. You know what this look like? Rice porridge. No, I use the last cup. I have evaporated milk. I have coconut milk too, but I not use no coconut milk. Girl, a gym I come from, you know? Yeah. I don't want too much something in there. It look like banana porridge. Let me carry the camera closer. See? You look damn good. I'm glad to have some do it. So I can add. So now I'm going to write part of my video. I can't just eat it just so. Alright, I just take time pour this because I don't want it too thick. So I just pour a little and see what I get before I pour the rest of the night. Move them because they don't make sense right now. Alright, this is perfect. It look like oats porridge or rice porridge. With the chunks of bananas. My happy I'm gonna start drinking it. A 6 coming out of the pack? Or there's Walmart that's only lucky over this though. You know why you miss everything, you have to miss it too. I have to be creating a mess. A video a while ago. Can you believe no video, no video?